Hello everyone, welcome to HT-Athena Notes. This is our 10th video on Python programming. In this video, we are going to discuss about how to do sorting and reverse sorting in list in Python. Now let's go directly to the video. First of all, let's create a new list. L. We'll name the list as L, and these are my elements 4, 5, 8, 1, 3, 2, like this. So this is my list. Now I'm going to do the sorting function. Here I name the new list as L1. L1 is equal to sorted, and within the brackets my main list, the list which I wanted to be sorted. Now let's print L1. You see, L1 has been sorted in an order with this function. Now let's create a new list L2. This includes elements 7, 5, 3, 8, 9, 1. This is my new list L2. So I'm going to teach you the second sort function. Here I have to just type L2, the main list name, and then sort, empty brackets. Now if I print L2, you see L2 has been reordered in ascending order because of this sort function. So it's very simple. We have two functions to arrange a list in an order. One is sorted list, another one is sort. Now let's do a reversal order in a list. For that, I'm going to create a new list to practice as an example. I'm going to name my list as L3. So I'm adding these elements to the list 8, 3, 9, 1. This is my list L3. So this is the first reverse sort function. For that, I have to write the list name. My list name is L3 and dot sort, and within the bracket reverse equals true. Now let's print L3, my list. You see the L3 has been reverse ordered. 9 has been came to front and 1 has been came to end. Now let's learn the second method to do the reversal. For that also I am creating a new list L4. So I am adding these elements 1, 9, 3, 0. So these are my elements. The second reversing function is very simple. For that I have to write list name. My list name is L4 and dot reverse and empty brackets. Now let's print L4. Special thing in reverse function is it is just the reversing of the positions. It does not take the significance of the values in the list. It just reverses the positions like this. In the original list, 4 is in the first, and in the reversing, 4 has become the last. In originally 0 is at the end. New list 0 is at the front. Likewise, the positions has been reversed in the reverse function. So that is a rapid overview on sorting and reversing functions in Python. You also can try these and practice these with your own examples. If you get any questions, just put it in the comment so that I can clarify it more. Thank you.